This is a 1965 Ford Mustang GT. Has a 289 V8 with a 4-barrel, 4-speed transmission. You can see the tail pipes coming through the panel, not underneath. Got the fog lights. This is the interior. If you can see on the seats, there is absolutely no wear whatsoever. Nothing from people getting in and out. And it has the standard gauges, the fuel, oil, the speedometer, which says 4,395 today, but I continue to drive it because it's fun. The amps, temperature, and there's the radio. And then if you notice the dash is perfect. There's not one crack. It's not faded. Nothing. So if you look at the side panels, the seats, look at the rear seats. I don't think anybody's ever sat in them. And then if you look at the headliner is perfect. Nothing absolutely wrong with it. Once again, the 4-speed transmission. Disc brakes from the factory. Okay, here's the inside from the passenger side. See the same thing. Seats are perfect. Back seat, perfect. Headliner, perfect. Once again, 4-speed, disc brakes. The dash is perfect. The back seat is perfect. It's not cracked or anything. Okay, here's the engine compartment. It has the gold valve covers, a gold air cleaner. These horns are in the right spot for a GT. It's got the fog lights. Standard 289 V4 premium fuel. now let's point out the bad parts. Oh, something's in the way. Okay. There is a rubbing off of the paint right here. On the inside, it's a little bit, well, discolored or whatever. That's from putting your arm out the window. There is a small little dent right here. Let's see. On the back here, there's a little spot right here where somebody had a CB radio. Okay, on the backs here, the paint is wore off. The same with this side here, just on the edge here, and that's because that's where the car cover sat. Okay, on the passenger side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little scratches here, a little dent here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 little scratches right there. And then there's a dent, a little one here, really hard to see unless you're really paying attention or you catch it in the sun. You can see it, but as you look down the car, you can see that that it is really straight. Even on both sides are the same. So So if you look real close, I don't know if you can see that, there's a little tiny dent right there. May not be able to, but the hood is perfect, the roof is perfect, the trunk is perfect, the side panels, I mean, the car is in excellent shape. And the real treat is how many miles it has on it. Then I have the tag. So this car was assembled in San Jose. This car was sold in a dealership in Vallejo, and then it went to Sacramento and sat in the garage forever. So this turned out to be a GT. For one, the wheels are a giveaway. The other one, it says GT right on the side, plus it's got the Mustang and the stripes going down. The other dead giveaway is the fog lights. And then the other easy dead giveaway is the gauges, round speedometer, versus on the regular Mustangs they have a sweeping speedometer. The other thing is, okay, if you read it really quick, you'd say, yeah, 44,000, but forget, this is tenths, you don't need that. So when people are reading it really quick, well, this says 44,000 now. I mean, yeah, 44. See, I'm making a mistake myself. 4,400. It keeps on going up because I just drive the car. Because it's kind of fun. I like it. Okay, so here's the tag on the door. It tells you exactly what this car is. 65A, color J, trim 25, date 26R, 72, 1 for axle, 5 for transmission, and then it has the warranty number. So let's go look at that. So if you look at 1965 Mustang shop manual, for the Mustang warranty plate. Okay, so let's look up this one. This says body 65. So 65A. So we look over here under Mustang. 65A. 2-door hardtop Mustang. Okay, the next is the color code. Our color code is J. So if we come over here to J, this is exterior paint color codes J, red. Okay, the next thing we're looking at is the date. 26R. So 26. Here's the date codes. And we see R. Goes over to April. So it was 26 April when it was assembled. The next thing is DSO. District codes. This is for Mustang. And the code is 72. So if we look down here, 72 says San Jose. Okay, the axle code, we have 1. So that's 3.00 to 1. Okay, the next thing is the transmission code. This is, our code is 5. 4-speed manual. Okay. Oh, where's engine code? Oh, engine code is A. So, once again, it is a 8-cylinder, 289 V4 PREM, premium